All right, Cadillac Tim's truck is done and delivered. It looks great. It sounds great. Just going over some of the stuff that we did. So first we started with the big three under the hood. Everything soldered, test tape, heat shrunk. Then we ran signal from the Pioneer head unit into the Hertz H8 DSP. From the H8 DSP into the 4 separate amplifiers. The truck came in with no fuses at all, not one fuse in the entire truck. Now we have the 2 feed lines under the hood fused. We have a fuse with an 18 inches of each rear battery. Then it goes into a Stinger distribution block with 0 gauge in and 4 4-gauge feeds out. Each one is fused. Then into the 3K that runs the subwoofers. Since that amplifier pulls the most amount of current, we use the 4 gauge to 0 gauge adapters. So we're running 0 gauge power and ground into the 3K. So it draws the most current, so it gets the most current. And then that has its own A&L fuse holder in it. We mounted everything down and then built trim panels for everything. That way there was no need to see all the equipment. Then the battery is bolted down, and then there's a press fit cover that goes over it that protects the terminals against arcing, and it's clearly labeled. If anybody has to service the truck, you remove the panel, then that gives you access to the second auxiliary battery and all the fuses. We use all Stinger power, speaker wire, and RCA. The truck has absolutely no noise now. The bass doesn't shut off anymore. It sounds really, really, really good. Check out the video. Okay, we got our big 3 upgrade going. We got our 0 gauge feed going to the battery, coming from the alternator, following the factory wire harness, back of the alternator, heavy duty tester tape, soldered and heat shrunk. We have our ground from the battery to the body right here. Then we're doing dual feeds to the back to feed the back batteries. Doing it the right way.